8th grade students in Mrs. Marcia Day and Mrs. Elizabeth Shu's science classes are experiencing a new classroom structure this year. It's called the flipped classroom. The flipped classroom is a teaching model that inverts traditional teaching methods, delivering instruction online outside of class and moving homework into the classroom. The flipped classroom model has students watch lectures at home at their own pace, communicating with peers and teachers via online discussions. The concept engagement takes place in the classroom with the help of the instructor. Educational technology and activity learning are two key components of the flipped classroom model. They both influence the student learning environment in fundamental ways. Many schools and classrooms have adopted the flipped classroom model. Here, we look at Clintondale High School near Detroit, which has employed the flipped classroom model to great success. Here's how it worked. Teachers created 3 videos a week. Students watched the 5 to 7 minute videos at home or in school if the students didn't have internet access at home. Class time was spent doing labs or interactive activities to illustrate concepts. The flipped model allows the teachers to support students in class. The students who might not have technology or parents to help them outside of school now have teachers guiding them in class. Teachers revisit concepts students don't understand. After students watch videos, they write down any questions they have. Teachers review those questions with students individually. Students don't get as frustrated. Before, many students wouldn't complete homework if they got frustrated with it. Working on problems in class minimizes this problem. Students receive instant feedback. Teachers have more time to help students explain difficult concepts. The results of the efforts at Clintondale were validating. As you can see, before the flip, more than 50% of freshmen failed English and 44% of freshmen failed math. In addition, there were 736 discipline cases in one semester. After the flip, the freshman failing English was reduced to 19% and math was reduced to 13%. The reduction in discipline cases to 249 was an added complement to the changes made at Clintondale High School. Even though this model has been proven successful in other classrooms across the world, we wanted to know what our very own students are thinking a mere 3 weeks into the new model. Here's what they had to say.
I think Edmodo is good because you learn more and understand more, and it's a better way to learn. It's a good resource, and it's faster than sitting and reading your book.
It's really easy to learn. You learn about it fast.
I think that technology is improving the way that I do my homework, because once it's online, there is no forgetting it. You can easily access it at home, and I feel that it affects it in a really good way, and that it's very simple to use.
I like my new class.
Also, get help from your friends, not just from your teacher.
I feel more invested in this environment because it's kind of easier to do instead of trying to flip through a book. It's all online.
It's easier for us to understand and to find information clearly, and it's easy for us to communicate with our teachers.
I feel like I can dive deeper into my learning when it's online, because once I'm there, I can easily just look up something to help me improve my learning.
I think the Google Docs and the iPads and all the extra technology, like the online books, are really helpful.
It helps us learn by using websites and videos and clips.
iPads have apps and stuff that we can use to help, and we can use Edmodo, which is really helpful because it's like a Facebook and we're familiar with that, so it's easy for us to use. And we can Google stuff in Wikipedia, and it's easy if we have access to it.
I do feel like this is actually helping me a lot with learning because it's actually kind of fun if you really think about it, because it helps you out and you get to chat with friends. And if you need to do homework and your friend can't come over to your house, with Google Docs you can kind of chat with them and then get your homework done at the same time.
The clips show projects and experiments and teach us what to do, so it's a better learning experience.
Moto gets you so that you get zoned in because it's kind of like a Facebook, but it's for school.
This class with technology also makes it more fun because if we don't have technology, it's not as fun.
I would recommend this way of learning for other science teachers for sure because they can help their kids. A lot of kids, most of the kids like it a lot. They think it really helps.
As you can see, we've only just begun, but we are really looking forward to the results.